Dude, you want to see a funny picture of Big T?
Sure.
Point him out.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that one.
That's hilarious. It's like, beyond hilarious. I was like 6 years old. No, wait, 6, 7.
He is ancient.
I was like 7. Maybe 8. I think 7. 7. Put your splint up. Put your splint up.
Oh, a splint. Oh my God. It's gonna kill me.
Don't bend her arm.
I'm not bending her arm, okay?
Run, Peggy, run!
You lose. I would. Hey, nobody. That looks like that's gonna fall down. Hey, my ass. You don't see me going around punching your ass.
No, but just slap it. So is Alicia.
When's the last time I slapped your ass? Exactly.
My feet are underneath me.
Whoa.
Oh my God. Have you ever noticed in my bathroom how there looks like a scratch mark on the ceiling going towards the cover thing? It's creepy.
Maybe somebody was raped up there.
I don't know see it. No.
Why would you be scared?
I don't know.
Raped. It was like a girl pot.
Yeah. That's kind of okay. Turn the camera on the camera.